Okay, I just need a few changes on this website, and I need the ASAP, but not a problem. Everything else you did great. So I will just start from this thing. So this is all good. And I have this, probably there need to be apostrophe. So we need to fix this. It doesn't look good. And you see here as well. So where the apostrophe is, you have to have apostrophe, not this. If it's not possible, just do it without and remove this. Okay. This is great. This is what we needed. Question is, when we make the website loaded, it's a blank. Is any chance you can set the video to start to be to see what's going on, not just a black screen? If it's possible, okay. If not, not a problem. Then when we go to view more, it's an empty. So if you can just make similar as this one, we don't need any of this. We just need where is this? This one. We just need this one, the one that is already on the home page, with this text on this inner page. So for the vlog, later on he can add the ones that he has. So that's for that. And also on this website, I need this to be changed to this one, to this part, with this, what it says, with my clients are like family. So we need this one in this section, if it's possible. Please let me know. Thanks.